Passive Income: How to Make $700,000 per Day. This report helps me track all my investment income from dividend stocks, index funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. I've also added a new section for my blog income. My goal is to one day be able to live off this income, or at least have a significant portion of my living expenses covered by it. Why do I publish my passive income? First off, I'd like to say that I'm not trying to brag about my passive income in any way. Trust me, there are some financial bloggers out there that do a lot better than I do and are absolutely killing it. I'm not some financial guru either. I'm just a regular guy with a day job that's trying to get ahead and escape the daily grind like everyone else. My main reason for producing these reports is to motivate myself and hopefully others to do better financially. Over the years, I've found that when I track my dividend income, maybe it's because I'm focused on growing those dividends that I'm constantly scheming up ways to make more money, or save more money, so that it can be put to good use by investing it in great dividend-paying companies. This approach has served me well, and this year my family is on track to earning $17,000 in passive dividend income. Think about it. That's $17,000 that we don't have to get up in the morning to work for. We just go on living our lives, and all the while, each and every month, we receive cold hard cash in the form of dividends from our investments. Right now we reinvest these dividends to buy more shares in our favorite companies, so that the dividend income continues to grow over time. But one day, we will be using that dividend income to finance an early retirement. Our net worth rose by about $14.5 thousand in July, mainly due to paying down our debt and the stock market rally. We are now at $1.206 million. Our net worth goal for this year was $1.2 million. So we beat it already. In fact, by my calculation, our net worth has grown by over $122,000 since January. The stock market recovery played a big role in that huge gain, and I don't expect we'll see the same increase going forward. Our financial assets have risen, stand at about $672,000, just below our all-time high of $675,000. If markets keep on chugging along, we should be above $700,000 in the fall. While it's always nice to see our investments grow, I'm also happy to see some real progress on paying down our mortgage and line of credit debt. We finally went below the $300,000 level on our mortgage. Overall, it's been a great year so far, and I hope we can build on these results for the rest of the year. I'm not really that comfortable with our debt, so hopefully make a lot of progress this year on getting the line of credit paid off and our mortgage paid down to a more manageable level. Net worth versus investment income. Having $1 million plus net worth is an important milestone on the road to financial freedom. But unless it's backed up with some serious cash flow, it doesn't really mean all that much. After all, as you can see from these reports, my net worth rises and falls primarily due to fluctuations in the stock and real estate markets. Benefits of passive income. I once read somewhere that millionaires have about 7 different sources of income, which is a big reason why they're rich. If they lose one source, it's not the end of the world for them, because the other 6 still provide financial security. On the other hand, the rest of us are almost completely dependent on one source, our jobs.